Yes, student, today we are doing an activity. So here is the objective of the activity to find the volume of cone using activity. Prerequisite knowledge means previous knowledge which is required for doing the activity. So number first point is concept of cone. Second is concept of cylinder, and number third is volume of cylinder. We should know what is volume of cylinder. Material required for the activity. So a cone or cylinder, any material which is to be filled in the cone. Come to the procedure. Number first part, take a cone of height h, any height you can take, and radius r, any radius. Number second, take a cylinder of same height and same radius as that of cone. Number third point, take any material, say rice, and fill it in the cone up to the top or brim. Number four step, empty it in the cylinder. Fifth, again fill the cone and empty it in the cylinder. Sixth step, again fill the cone and empty it in the cylinder. Hello student, today we will going to do an activity. So what is the activity? We will going to learn why the volume of cone is one third the volume of cylinder. For the activity, what you have to do, you have to take the cylinder and the cone of the same height and same radius. So you can observe both have the same height and the same radius. Next, you have to take the filling material. The filling material can be any, it may be liquid or may be solid. So I am taking the solid material. In the solid, you can take rice, sugar, flour, or anything else. Now, what you have to fill the material in the cone. As I am filling, it is to be filled up to the top or up to the brim. So here you can observe we have filled it up to the top. After filling it, so some more portion is left. Let us complete it first. It is filled now up to the brim. After filling it, you have to empty it in the cylinder. So this way you can empty it in the cylinder. The whole material is to be emptied. So you can observe we have emptied it completely. Now again we're going to fill the cone with the rice and up to the top. This point you have to note that it is to be filled carefully up to the brim or up to the top. You can observe how I am filling it. So it is filled up to the brim, level it, and then again empty it in the cylinder. The whole material you have to empty it in the cylinder. So we are observing the cylinder is not filled completely. So again we're going to take the cone and fill it with the rice up to the top, and the same process we have to follow. What the process? We have to empty it in the cylinder. So you can observe we have filled it and now we are emptying it in the cylinder. So careful you have to be and empty the total material in the cylinder. You can press with your hand to check whether it is filled up to the brim or not. So you can easily observe now the cylinder is filled up to the top. So this way you can observe. So when you have emptied, what you have observed, that when we have filled the cone 3 times and empty it in the cylinder, we observe that the cylinder is completely filled. Now comes the observation. When we do this activity, what we observed, when 3 times cone is filled and emptied in the cylinder, it is found cylinder is filled up to the brim. Thus, we can say volume of cylinder is 3 into volume of cone, or volume of cone is 1 by 3 into volume of cylinder. Or if we put the formula of volume of cylinder, which we know, so we get volume of cone equal to 1 by 3 into pi r square h. So here is the result. The above activity shows that the volume of cone is 1/3 the volume of cylinder. Thank you.